Okay, so any question? I think you should do. Yes.
Thank you for very nice seminar. If I understood you right, is it enough to you fulfill the criteria they have for LED, or you have to send your product to the States to have it tested?
Yeah,
I know our
again,
product fulfill all the criteria, so I have no problem with the criteria.
Because right now, what I'm requiring my suppliers is just to have test results, like of the VOC and everything. It's all of my requirement.
Should we give you PDS, or what else would you need? Or certification from Europe?
Yes.
Or the European labeling, the European flower.
Just for example, those VOC content.
Yeah.
Of course, there is no laboratory to tell you about your recycled content. So, in terms of auditing, I just said to visit your manufacturing plant. Like I went to Steel Asia. Just to see. We're doing the perma steel, the glass curtains that we're using. Will I have to go to China for that? So, yes, I think as of now, we'll see. I mean,
Would it be good enough in the European? Because that's
yes, I understand.
by the European
yes.
Union, what they do their own testing
Yes.
in their own laboratories. And
Yes.
they have all the criteria.
Yes. Yes, like the Bandex came from Switzerland. Okay. Yes, as long as you have those, then you can work because we have Texas Instruments is quite different because it's a smaller facility, and then again, all of them may be coming from a lot of Texas Instrument facilities in Texas are LEED certified, so it's not a problem for them. So I was involved in the Clark facility, but then their in-house LEED APs also. So internet like the one I showed them are certified goods. Very I don't know how we can do it, but we're trying to test the waters. That's not what it is. So be ready with your certifications for that. And if you can get an equivalent, a green seal or a green equivalent, or the laboratory. I think laboratories in Europe might be more reliable. Yes.
Well, you have all the
Yes,
that from Europe already, so or you can go here as well.
Yes.
Would you know about the laboratory where the power product is?
Yes.
On the local market?
Of course, if you go to the Green Seal website, they tell you want us to certify your product. There's like a protocol for a fee. There's all this business of fees. Okay? Any more questions?
Anybody from Steel?
How much carbon dioxide per second per minute? Usually, they just let it go like that. After,
You put your ice cream on top. Pull out.
Any more questions? It's just very short. If you want to have a review, especially for young people like you to become a green associate, or it will be a big plus for your company, and you can sell yourself. Like my employer, David Langton, just hey, why don't you take the exam? Yeah. So I just took it.
I have a question.
Yes.
What if some of them would be interested to get someone to help them how to get all those products tested so that they will be able to submit the basic requirements that you mentioned for the projects? Would you be available?
Look, for that, again, the problem is, in here we have a Green Choice, a local initiative of the DTI, together with the Green Architectures Advocacy, testing local products. Because each country has their own, something like a green seal. I think in Europe they have the two green part. Like in the LEED, we have the green star, the green mark, the green globe. In this country, like here we have the verde. This way we have the verde also. BREEAM, UK. Okay. So a lot of this rating system. So again, there are local third-party laboratories that can do this. Let's give it a try. So this is my thing. So we have CRL, Amazon, and did you do your thesis? No. What's your thesis about? Tell us about it. Yes.
Edible coatings.
Edible?
Edible coatings.
What?
Parang I coated bell peppers to preserve shelf life. Minimize weight loss. More on parang biochem.
Okay. Yeah, or you can also preserve your fruits by irradiation. We do that in Europe. Did you finish that? Adam Song?
And
You found it. Okay, so
Kat, can I ask
yes,
question?
good question.
When we started the Green and Sustainable Exhibition, year 2008, there were a lot of questions from the supplier side if there's really a market for the green market. Being a lead AP professional, do you have any idea what's the trend on the green building industry growth, or any estimates as to how many square meters in the country are being built as green building?
Yeah, there's a lot. If you just look at the web, there's a lot of registered, registered buildings. Some of them still are being registered without being certified, but there are conscious efforts of some clients and owners to go all the way. They must be serious about it. Ayala is thinking about they registered, but they're still having second thoughts of what. It is really a process. So you must be serious in it. The client or the owner must be serious. And there is this what we term as it makes business sense. So the driving force in here is of course economics. And then again, looking at the government, we have the Climate Change Commission, and one of their pillars, which was approved by the President last April 28th, that was last week. Okay, is the framework strategy on climate change, and made of 5 pillars, and one of them is decarbonization of energy, and other one is green buildings. And again, we have the PS Bharat, the local version of the ASRAE. We have their energy efficiency code that was launched also last week, last Friday or Thursday? Thursday. Yeah, Thursday. Okay. So again, there is really a market in here because not only it makes economic sense, but again, we will be conscious of that. As I began the lecture on the emissions of carbon dioxide. So energy efficiency is really one of them. So all you can see, all of this contribute. If you use recycled content, then that is of course helping the environment. Less extraction. If you have certified wood, if you have the regional materials. Regional materials is very important because the carbon footprint. It came from very far, then you can consider the transportation. It comes locally, so this is the market transformation in here. Because some local manufacture, local extraction. Okay. So again, not only making economic sense, but also something that you feel good. Like for example, if you have extra money, then you can make a green home. Like architect Albert Twist, contemplating on that. Okay. So it's both of your self gratification, doing something to the environment, and at the same time also making business sense, making yourself happy for social responsibility, or for that matter also helping your occupants be healthy. You can just imagine if you're asthmatic and you're staying in a room that is full of VOC in terms of the sealants and everything. We don't notice maybe because sometimes I'm over anymore.